gising na. Wake up, wake up, magandang umaga, good morning. Kumain tayo ng saging, let's eat a banana. Uminom tayo ng tubig, let's drink some water.
Tara na, let's go, let's go. Maglakad tayo sa labas, let's walk outside. Gusto kong araw na ito, I like this day. Mahal ko ang buhay ko, I love my life. Takbo rito, takbo ron, run here, run there. Tingnan mo ang mga puno, look at the trees. Makinig ka sa ibon, listen to the bird. Ngumiti ka sa kaibigan, smile at your friend. Smile at your friend.
Punta tayo sa dagat, let's go to the ocean. Lumangoy tayo sa dagat, let's swim in the sea.
Marinit ang sikat ng araw, the sunshine is hot. Huwag kang bibitaw, don't let go.
Araw-araw ikaw lang, everyday, only you. Gusto ko kitang makita, I want to see you. Lunes ang sobrang ganda mo, Monday you're so beautiful, Martes ikaw lang walang iba, Tuesday just you, no one else. Miyerkules laging magkasama tayo, Wednesday we're always together, Huwebes ikaw lang ang mundo ko, Thursday you're my only world. Biyernes tayo ay masaya, Friday we are so happy, Sabado tawa ng tawa, Saturday just laughing, Linggo mahal kita sinta, Sunday I love you darling, miss na miss kita agad, I miss you so much already. Ano sabihin ito?
How do you say this?
Magandang umaga,
Good morning,
magandang hapon,
good afternoon,
magandang gabi.
good night.
Kumusta means
Hello, paalam means goodbye. Salamat, thank you, walang anuman. You're welcome.
oo means
Yes, hindi means no.
bakit,
Why?
paano, how.
Mabuti, very good. Bukas, tomorrow, ngayon, today.
Ang iniisip, I'm always thinking of you. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, you're everything to me. Gusto kitang makasama, I wanna be with you. Sana mayakap kita, I wish I could hug you. Naaalala ko ang halik mo, I remember your kiss. Ikaw ang buhay ko, you are my life. so beautiful. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you very much.